Guys, if you've been following me, you'll know that I've spoken before about the contactless biometric passport application for Nigerians living abroad. I actually went through the process myself and shared my experience with you. But I know that some of you still have questions, and some people have told me that they find the process confusing or complicated. So I'm bringing this information back to you because this time the explanation you're about to watch comes directly from the Nigerian authorities themselves. They have made this video to explain the contactless passport application process step by step and show you exactly what you need to do. So rather than me trying to explain everything again, I want you to listen carefully to this official video and follow what they're showing you on the screen. If you're eligible for the contactless process, it explains how to apply, how to do your biometric enrollment, what happens if you're not eligible, and what you need to do afterwards. Please watch it carefully from beginning to end, especially if you've been asking me questions about how the contactless passport renewal works. And remember, always use the official Nigeria Immigration Service channels for your passport application. Before we go into the application, let me quickly explain eligibility because I know this is one of the biggest questions you guys ask me. The contactless system is for eligible Nigerians abroad, mainly for passport renewal or reissue. If you're applying for your first Nigerian passport or you have a special case, your process may be different. And remember, when you get to the NIS mobile app, the system itself has a check eligibility stage, so you don't have to guess.
Renew your Nigerian passport without ever leaving home. The contactless passport application system is designed specifically for eligible Nigerians in the diaspora, making passport renewal faster, easier, and more convenient. Here's why it matters. There's no need to visit an embassy for biometric enrollment. You can apply for and track your passport entirely online. Enjoy a fast and secure verification process and complete your application from wherever you are. Here's how it works. First, visit the official portal at passport.immigration.gov.ng and select Apply from outside Nigeria. Then click Apply for Renewal or Reissue to begin your application. Next, create an account and verify your identity using your National Identification Number (NIN) and date of birth. Complete the application form, select your processing embassy, and upload all required supporting documents. Once that's done, pay the passport fee for your preferred booklet. You will then receive your application ID and reference number. Keep both close. You need them throughout the process. Next, you'll be prompted to choose either a physical appointment or a contactless appointment. To proceed with the contactless option, select Opt in for contactless under the application status or book appointment section. You will then see a step-by-step guide explaining the contactless process. Read it carefully before selecting I understand and opt in. Next, download the NIS mobile app and either log into your existing account or create a new profile. From the app, select Passport Application Services, then Passport Biometrics Enrollment. Enter your application ID and reference number, then select Check Eligibility. If you're eligible to proceed, you will be guided through capturing your facial image and fingerprints, completing the liveness verification, and submitting your biometrics for review. Once your biometrics have been successfully reviewed and you're confirmed eligible for the contactless service, you'll be directed to pay the contactless service fee. If you're found ineligible, don't worry. Simply return to the portal's landing page and book a physical appointment at your selected embassy or High Commission. After completing payment, print your application form and retrieve your current international passports. Place both inside a self-addressed return envelope and send them to your selected processing embassy. You can begin tracking your application 2 weeks after submission through the tracking portal at track.immigration.gov.ng or the NIS mobile app. It's that simple! Renewing your Nigerian passport has never been easier. Remember, apply only through official channels. Know the right way.
Okay guys, you've heard the information directly from the Nigeria Immigration Service. If you're applying and something isn't working, you don't necessarily need to start looking for an agent. The Nigeria Immigration Service has provided official support channels for people using the contactless passport system. You can contact them directly, and I'll put the official details on the screen and in my description. Please remember, check that you're eligible for contactless processing and follow the instructions carefully. If you're not eligible, follow the instructions given to you for a physical appointment. And please protect your personal information. Your passport details, NIN, and other documents are sensitive information, so make sure you're dealing with the official Nigeria Immigration Service. I hope this helps somebody, because passport renewal can be stressful, especially when you're living outside Nigeria. Please share this video with another Nigerian abroad who may need this information.